Have you been wondering how some of these AI images are generated with the person's actual face on it? In this video, I will show you these easy steps to get it done. The first thing to do is to head over to your browser and search for any AI image generator like Bing Image Creator, leonardo.ai, ideogram. For this video, I'll be making use of ideogram. Now search for ideogram in your browser. When you see it, tap on it and sign in. You can sign in with your Google account or any other account recommended. After signing in, tap on the plus button in their homepage and input the type of image you want. Be precise about your prompt. I've already generated an image for this video. This is the prompt I imputed. Create a photo of a Nigerian lady of 28 years old, sitting on a chair in a recreation park with a smiling face, dressed in a beautiful light brown fitted dress. Hair styled packed or back. Be detailed about your prompt, the type of background, the complexion, the ethnicity, the hairstyle. Just be detailed about your prompt. Now go ahead to generate your image. This was the image I was able to generate with the prompt I imputed. Download and save this image by tapping it. After downloading and saving this image, head over to your browser and search for remaker.ai. Now, in the home page of remaker.ai, tap on Face Swap. In Face Swap, tap on this first space provided for you to upload your image. Upload the AI generated image. Tap here and upload the AI image you generated from ideogram. This is it. Done. Now tap the second space provided for you below. Upload your actual image, the image that has your face. Forget about makeup. Upload it. I have uploaded my photo to be swapped. While waiting for your image to be swapped, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. This is the result of the swapped image. This is the original and this is the result. You can see how easy it is to generate these images. I went ahead to generate more images. You can use them for headshots. You can also use them to promote your social media platform. You can use them to promote your business flyers, your business pages. I also use it for my YouTube banner. You can see how easy to create these images with your face, with different background, different occasion, different attires, and different hairdo. So go ahead and start creating these images. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me for more content.